Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you translating in your mind the English? So don't do guys, because of every learner or the every new beginners they are doing the same kind of the problem. Why I am saying means because of the most of the students there are the translating for the every sentence there are mother tongue. So it is a difficulty they think in English and they speak in English. So that is the reason I am talking about this video. So please watch the full video and you can understanding what is the problem our things. So first of all, why I am saying is you don't the translating for the every word in your mother tongue, because of if you the doing like kind of the stuffs they will be affected for your the time consuming the during. So due to that is the reason you are the fumbling, you can't speak the fluently, you are struggling to speak, you lack of the confidence, and also you can't speak the better. So that's the reason I'm said you don't do the translating in your head. So instead of what you do for, so you can speak slowly, because of if you speak slowly you have to time to think about what will be we speak to next word, because of we haven't the time for that. We are thinking to next word or the what else, but we instead of the you can try to speak slowly, you have to time for think about it what we gonna speak next word or the next sentence. Because of I'm also initially doing that guys in my early stages or in my beginner stage, like I am also the translating for the every word in my mother tongue to, after that I am translating another time the my mother tongue to English. So it is a take time, and also the during that I am difficulty. So that's the reason I am the some of time the stucking, because of our mind it will be the processing, so it is the take time. So that is the reason I do not the translating for the every English in my mother tongue, and after that the mother tongue to the English, because of it is the coding the decoding. So it is the like kind of the we can the like our language to English, English to our language. Where it is a take time, our mind it will be the processing. So that is the reason you could just speak slowly. You have to time, and also you should the practice, because of every day you must the practice. What is the simple sentence we can make it? For example, yeah, I take shower, I brush my teeth, I'm going to university or I'm going to school. So and also yeah, you can make it. Yeah, I'm going to my office. Yeah, today it is more work there because of tomorrow I have the deadline. So you can the simple scenario you can make it. So this is the best impact for your improve your communication skill, because of no one there are thinking yeah it is a simple sentence, so you do not do that. So that is the reason I am said so you could practice simple sentence. So it is the key, because of everyone there are thinking yeah this is the not good or the like that way. So in my opinion you could the practice it is a slowly. So slowly is the best example, because of the consistency is the key, and also the discipline is the maintain. Because of if you haven't any discipline, how will you the maintain the consistency? So every day you could the practice the 5 to 10 minutes. So that is the enough I think, because of the most of the people they are thinking yeah we are not good at English, or we have the confidence, so we have the fear about that. So like so that is the main reason there are the fumbling or the like that way. So don't do that guys. So you should practice for every day, so that is the important. So if you like this video, or if you related this video, so please let me in the comment section what you learn or the what you understanding for this video. So after that you could learn, so that is important. Okay, thanks for the watching. So we gonna next video. So don't forget to subscribe, because of if you subscribe I have some confidence boosting, so I make the better video and for the new things. Okay, thanks for the watching. We're gonna see next video.